Hi guys, welcome to Coding World. In previous video, we have already discussed what is BFS and what is TFS algorithm and how we can traverse the graph using these two algorithms. See, what I'm trying to say is using these two algorithms, that is BFS and DFS traversals, that means breadth first search and depth first search, we can traverse the graph. Isn't it guys? Are you getting my point? Now see, there are much more questions and much more concepts related to BFS and DFS that we'll be discussing in upcoming videos. But see, what I'm trying to say is first I will discuss the core and the easy algorithms. First I will discuss all the basic algorithms, and then I will switch to advanced algorithms, and in the middle of these two we'll also discuss some of the questions. And after that we'll discuss some of the problems that has already appeared in coding interview rounds of FANG companies. But let us first start with the today's topic. Our today's topic is given a graph, and we have to find out the shortest distance from the original source node. See, what I'm trying to say is I will start with the topic called as shortest path. Shortest path algorithms. Isn't it guys? Are you getting my point? Now see, what I'm trying to say is shortest path algorithms. In this will in this topic we'll discuss two algorithms. First one is Prim's algorithm. We'll also discuss all of the algorithms, but first we'll discuss these two algorithms, that is Prim's algorithm and another one is Kruskal's algorithm. Isn't it guys? After that we'll also discuss that is something called as Dijkstra's algorithm, and after that we'll also discuss what is Bellman-Ford algorithm, and after that we'll also discuss Floyd-Warshall algorithm. ठीक है, देखिए ये सब हम लोग एक करके डिस्कस करेंगे. सबसे पहले तो आज हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे कि शॉर्टेस्ट पाथ एल्गोरिदम में ये दो एल्गोरिदम डिस्कस करेंगे, दैट इज प्रिम्स एल्गोरिदम एंड अदर इज क्रुस्कल्स एल्गोरिदम. After हम लोग का after the discussion of these two topics will be over, then we'll immediately switch to Dijkstra's algorithm, Bellman-Ford algorithm, Floyd-Warshall algorithm. इन सब के बीच में एक और algorithm हम दिखा देंगे, that is called as TSP. Basically it is a good problem which has been asked in FANG company, that is what is this problem is? This problem is nothing but traveling salesman problem. ठीक है, traveling salesman problem. Now see, what I'm trying to say is, okay, let me write it clearly. Traveling salesman problem. Isn't it guys? Are you getting my point? Now see, what I'm trying to say is, आज के वीडियो में हम लोग देखेंगे कि प्रिम्स एल्गोरिदम क्या होता है. सी, आवर टुडेज टॉपिक I'll be mainly focusing on Prim's algorithm. Isn't it guys? Are you getting my point? Now see, what I'm trying to say is Prim's algorithm. इस एल्गोरिदम में क्या होता है कि सपोज अपने को एक ग्राफ दिया रहेगा. ठीक, लेट मी क्रिएट अ ग्राफ फॉर यू. ओके, 1 2 and let's say it is 3. Isn't it guys? Are you getting my point? Now see, you can see there are 4 nodes. See, shortest path का जरूरत क्यों पड़ता है? अगर हम लोग बहुत सारा ऐप्स देखें, जैसे कि गूगल प्ले स्टोर में अगर आप ऐप्स देखेंगे, दैट इज समथिंग कॉल्ड एज गूगल मैप्स. आई एम राइटिंग एज G फॉर गूगल एंड देन मैप्स, गूगल मैप्स. ये मैप क्या करता है? दिस मैप विल गिव यू द शॉर्टेस्ट पॉसिबल डिस्टेंस बिटवीन टू सिटीज. Isn't it? Say if you are in New Delhi, let's call it ND, and if you want to travel, suppose you are in New Delhi and you have to go to say Bangalore, or let's say Hyderabad, anything. See, you are at New Delhi and you have to travel to Bangalore or Hyderabad, either of these two cities. Yeah, anyone can travel from here also, and see, he or she wants to travel this journey via plane. So Google Map क्या करेगा? Google Map will show you the minimum possible shortest path distance between these two cities, that is called as aerial distance. Isn't it guys? What Google Map suggests you aerial distance, the shortest possible distance. So ये जो Google Map में ये जो चीज़ शो कर रहा है, द शॉर्टेस्ट पॉसिबल डिस्टेंस, ये कैसे शो कर रहा है? इट यूजेस नथिंग बट इट यूजेस दिस शॉर्टेस्ट पाथ एल्गोरिदम, जो भी हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे. ठीक, और इसका थोड़ा बहुत कोडिंग हम दिखा देंगे. गूगल मैप्स का कोडिंग कैसे होता है थोड़ा बहुत दिखाएंगे, क्योंकि उसके बाद में ज़रूरत पड़ता नहीं है. जितना ज़रूरत पड़ेगा उतना हम बता देंगे, ठीक है, कैसे क्या होता है। लेकिन कोर आइडिया यही रहता है, शॉर्टेस्ट पाथ इसलिए पढ़ाया जाता है, पढ़ते हम लोग ग्राफ में। इजंट इट गाइस? नाउ गेट, नाउ सी यू कैन ऑल्सो इमेजिन दिस आर 4 cities. नाउ सी दे आर कनेक्टेड लाइक दिस, and let's say it has a distance of 10, let's say it has a distance of 5, it has a distance of 8, and let's say it has a distance of 15 units, it has a distance of 20 units. Now see हम क्या बोलना चाह रहे हैं, there are 4 cities. You can also imagine like in this fashion also, okay, city 1, city 2, city 3, city 4. और you can I have represented the city as a node form. See 0 से 1 में जा सकते हैं, 1 से 3 में जा सकते हैं, 3 से 2 में जा सकते हैं, 2 से बैक कर सकते हैं. दिस इज एन अनडायरेक्टेड ग्राफ, दिस इज अनडायरेक्टेड बट वेटेड ग्राफ. See, this is an undirected but it is a weighted graph, isn't it? So from 0 I can go to 1, from 1 I can go to 3. In this fashion I can go, yeah. Also you can say I will start from city 1, I will go to city 2, then I will go to here, and then I will come back again city 2, and then I will go to city 3. Isn't it? Are you getting my point? Now you can do any, in any order you can traverse the graph. Suppose you have started from city 3, you want to go to city 1, and then from city 1 to you go to city 2, and then city 2 to city 0. Isn't it, guys? That means this is the first city, and after this city, you came back again city 2, and then you traverse again city 1. In this fashion you can traverse in any order. But see हम क्या बोलना चाह रहे हैं कि अगर सपोज हम लोग एक सोर्स नोड ले लेते हैं, लेट्स से आवर सोर्स नोड SR फॉर सोर्स नोड इज 0. दैट मीन शॉर्टेस्ट पाथ एल्गोरिदम क्या पढ़ेंगे? अभी हम लोग सबसे पहले पढ़ेंगे कि सिंगल सोर्स शॉर्टेस्ट पाथ. सिंगल सोर्स शॉर्टेस्ट पाथ क्या होता है कि विल बी गिवन अ सोर्स एंड थ्रू दैट सोर्स विल ट्रेवल ऑल द सिटीज़ one by one and will calculate the shortest distance. See what I'm trying to say? अगर इसी ग्राफ की लोग बात करें तो suppose we are given the source node as 0. Isn't it getting my point? Now see अपने को तो दे दिया कि source node में 0 है. Now see हम लोग 0 से कहाँ जाएंगे? See source node से सारे नोड्स में जाएंगे. Now source node से 1 में जाएंगे, source node से 2 में जाएंगे, source node से ही होते हुए लास्ट सिटी में भी जाएंगे. ना 1 में जाएंगे, 2 में जाएंगे, 3 तीनों में ही जाएंगे. And will call, and after going all this, during this traveling from 0 to 1 or 0 to 2 or 0 to 3, will calculate the shortest path. That means the distance which is minimum. Isn't it, guys? यही होता है Prim's algorithm. Prim's algorithm is nothing but single source shortest path algorithm. ठीक है, देखते हैं एल्गोरिथम कैसे वर्क करता है. Now see, from 0 I can directly go to 1, और हम डायरेक्ट भी जा सकते हैं और इनडायरेक्टली भी जा सकते हैं. कैसे? 0 से 2 में जाएंगे, 2 से 3 में जाएंगे, एंड देन 3 से 1 में जाएंगे. इस तरीके से 0 से 2 में जाएंगे, 2 से 1 में जाएंगे, या 0 से 1 में डायरेक्ट भी जा सकते हैं. नो सी हम वो रास्ता लेंगे. नो वी विल सेलेक्ट दैट पाथ ओनली विच हैज़ मिनिमम डिस्टेंस. नो सी फ्रॉम 0 to 1 आई सी देयर इज अ डिस्टेंस ऑफ 5 किलोमीटर. बट सी इफ आई डोंट वांट टू गो डायरेक्टली from 0 to 1, what I can do, I can go to 0 to 2, that is a distance of 8 kilometer, and from 2 to 1 I can go, I can reach 1 with a distance of traveling 10 kilometers. See in this fashion I can, I have 18 kilometers traveled, I have 18 kilometers traveling distance. I see from 0 to 2 and then from 2 to 1 I have 18 kilometer distance to be traveled to reach to 1 from 0. But see if I directly go from 0 to 1 I have a distance of 5 kilometers. See, so it is definitely that I will choose the minimum one. That means I will go directly from 0 to 2 with a distance of 5 kilometer. Isn't it, guys? So let me write it. Now from 0 to 1 I will go directly with a distance of 5 kilometer. Isn't it? Now 1 is over. Now remaining 2 cities are to be done yet. Now from 0 to 2 I can directly go, or even I can go from other cities also. Suppose say from 0 to 1 I have I will go from 0 to 1 and then from 1 to 3 and 3 to 2, या 0 to 1 and 1 to 2. क्या किसी भी ऑर्डर में जा सकते हैं, डायरेक्ट भी जा सकते हैं. 0 से 1 में गए, 1 से 3 में गए, 3 से 2 में गए. सभी में से हम यही देखेंगे कि 0 से 2 अगर डायरेक्ट जाते हैं तो डिस्टेंस आएगा 8 किलोमीटर का, और इन एनी अदर फैशन जाएंगे तो 8 किलोमीटर से ज़्यादा का ही डिस्टेंस आएगा, तो डेफिनेटली विल चूज़ द मिनिमम वन, दैट इज़ 8 किलोमीटर। नाउ सी, सोर्स यही रहेगा 0। इस केस में हम सोर्स को 0 लिए हैं। यू कैन टेक एनी अदर सोर्स एंड यू कैन नो ट्रेवल or to all the other cities through that source, node. That's why it is known as single source shortest path. To illustrate you the beauty of this algorithm, I have chosen source node as 0. You can choose any of this node as source node. You can even choose one, and for all, for any of the source node, you will find that the shortest minimum distance will be the same, isn't it? Now see, what I'm trying to say is, try to get it. From 0 to 2, I'll go and I'll a distance of 8 kilometer. Now see, now I have to go from 0 to 3. I can see from 0 to 3 I cannot go directly, means I have to travel at least one city. See, because 3 is not directly connected, isn't it? तो at least एक city को से होते हुए हमने को 3 में जाना पड़ेगा. Now see, from 0 to 1 I can if I go from 0 to 1 I have a distance of 5 kilometer, and from 1 to 3 I have a distance of 15 kilometers. Overall distance 20 kilometer. Okay, from 0 to 2 I can go with a distance of 8 kilometer, and from 2 to 3 I can go with a distance of 20 kilometer, that means 28 kilometer. So definitely I'll choose the first one, that means 0, 1 and 3. Now see, one more possibility. Suppose from I know I'll go from 0 to 2 is 2 to 1 and 1 to 3, 8, 10 and 15, isn't it? 25 plus 8, there is 33 kilometer distance I have to travel if I go in this path. So definitely I'll choose the first path, that is 0 to 1 and 1 to 3, that is 20 kilometer. Now see, it is 20 kilometer. So what is the total distance traveled from 0 to all the other cities that are connected directly or indirectly to the source node 0? That is 5, 8, isn't it? Are you getting my point?